Here's a 2010 Hyundai Sonata. Beautifully sculpted, this efficient midsize sedan is more than meets the eye with endless comfort and impressive power. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, power windows, leather steering wheel, 8-way driver's seat control, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. Consumer Guide remarks, "Kudos to Hyundai for making curtain side airbags, anti-lock brakes, and stability control standard on every Sonata, not just more expensive top-line models." Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.